Are you wondering how far these E99 and E88 drones can actually fly? So, by the way, these E88 and E99 and Pro and non-Pro models are identical, really. So there is pretty much zero difference between them. It's just some marketing. So when it comes to distance, these can fly. It's actually not far away. And actually today I lost my drone due to me actually flying a bit too high, and it's simply losing contact with the remote, and I couldn't control it basically and shoot up in air once it lost contact basically and flew off very rapidly. So, and the height at which that happened was only like literally 5 meters. So it was from me distance was around maybe like 15 meters maximum, or like 20 meters, something like that. So, and at that distance these drones simply lose the reception with either the phone Wi-Fi signal or the remote control. So you can only fly them very close to you. And again, this is the same stuff with the E88. They're identical. So I have also had the E88 drone, but again, it's exactly the same as this one. The basically, and the Pro and non-Pro and Pro Max models, whatever, they're identical really, so do not fall for the scam. I'm not actually purchasing another one. Build quality on these is it's garbage really. Also the cameras absolutely terrible. They do not have 4K cameras basically. And again, I actually lost my drone today. So if you actually get one of these and are wondering how far you can actually fly with it, be very careful. Do not actually fly with it very high. So if it simply loses contact, it won't be able to connect back and simply crash down and it will be dead pretty much. Also, this is not the first time this has happened to me, but I wasn't actually flying that high, maybe like 1 meter above ground, and then if it simply loses contact, it simply drops somewhere, and it's not the end of the day, you can retrieve it. But I did a mistake today. Basically I let it fly a bit higher. Basically, again, it wasn't that high, like 5 meters literally. That's like a 2-story building high basically. So, and it instantly lost contact. So absolute garbage. So be actually very careful when you fly with these drones, because you can get in my situation basically, and you'll be only left with the remote and you won't be able to get your drone back. Again, these do not have like GPS or whatever, so there is no possibility whatsoever to control them over long distance or even recover or see their location. So they're simply a kid's toy really, and be careful when you actually fly these, otherwise you will damage and also lose them. By the way, again, the height, these can actually climb very up high basically. So today I think it literally climbed like 100 meters up in air very rapidly. So it has some power with a good charged battery. But again, it's not the height that is basically the problematic. It's the connection either with the phone app, Wi-Fi, or the remote. That is a problem with these drones. Anyway, good luck.